Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing resistance. Trim the free edge and file the shiny top of each extension so acetone can work. Once done, pour 100% acetone into a shallow bowl and soak a cotton pad until saturated. Place it directly on the nail. Make sure to protect skin with petroleum jelly on surrounding cuticle. This reduces irritation. You'll feel heat from evaporation. Don't panic. The goal here is to begin dissolving the adhesive quickly, so the next step can safely lift material. Once all nails are wrapped, wait. Acetone needs 10 to 20 minutes to break down glue and acrylic. After 10 minutes, unwrap one nail and test. Gently push at a 45-degree angle with a cuticle pusher. If the extension lifts easily, continue. If not, rewrap and soak an extra 5 minutes. Make sure to remove lifted pieces gradually. Once sections come away, stop scraping that area to avoid thinning your natural nail. Repeat this process until all material releases. You finish by gently buffing any remaining residue with 180-240 grit, focusing on smoothing rather than removing nail layers. Once clean, wash hands thoroughly and apply cuticle oil and a rich hand cream to restore moisture. Acetone dries skin and nail plate. Make sure to avoid polish or enhancements for a few days so nails can recover. If at any point nails feel painfully thin, raw, or you see white spots that extend into the nail, stop and seek professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.